Hello everyone. So 99% of the students who are beginners into animation, like they have learned animation, but after learning they face this problem. Even after learning they don't realize that what actual knowledge they should have to get a job. How should they practice? What is, I mean, what is the process of practicing animation? So generally what happens is nobody tells them what to practice, so they keep on practicing walk cycle, run cycle, and all those basic assignments. So having a knowledge of the industry helps them. Actually nobody tells them about the industry, how the industry works, what kind of animation is done there, how they approach the shot. So because of that the students don't know what they have to approach, like what should be there in the showreel, what should they practice every day to improvise the animation. Because if you do run cycle and walk cycle every day, that will not help you. Like, you know, you are doing it, but that will not help you, because if you get an acting shot, then it will be very difficult for you to complete it or even start it. How to start, you won't be knowing how do I approach this, and no one will tell you. I guarantee that nobody will tell you how to start the shot. They'll just tell you the tips and tricks, like they'll just tell you how to animate, but what to think before animation they will not tell you. So now I'm sharing this information with you. This might help you to understand how you have to approach animation, like to get a job. So practice acting shots. Take simple acting shots that will help you to get an idea, like how can I act. You will improve your acting as well. Shoot it first. Take a shot, like take any reference from a movie or so, or maybe if you have any idea or a thought, then just put the camera and shoot yourself. Take a video of yours, act it. Whatever quality of acting is, like if even if you don't know acting, then act it. Just act it, because acting regularly will give you confidence to speak in front of the camera, and that is required in the industry. You have to shoot. Like if you go to the big studios, there is a requirement that is mandatory. You have to shoot each and every shot and show it to the supervisor. You get your acting approved, then you start doing your animation. So start, don't start just animation. First think about it. What do you want to animate? How do you want to animate? And do it yourself first, and then move it onto the computer and watch it again and again. Take the main poses out of it and then do the animation, like start the animation according to that, and exaggerate the poses and the expressions, as that is a principle, right, of animation. So that will help you. In this way you can approach like animation. You can start doing, you can start practicing in this manner. That will help you a lot. And when you will get a test shot, like for the job, then you will be able to crack it. So that's it for the video. I hope that this will help, because this information nobody will share with you. I guarantee you, nobody will tell you how to approach the shot. I have seen a lot of students, like they have completed the courses but they don't know what to do, how to start. I have seen the files, I have seen the Maya files of the shots they did. They don't even know, like they are having contact poses, but the controllers are in FK. Like no logic behind animation. They are just doing it. Practically they are not having any knowledge that how they should do it, how they should approach it. Or maybe if you have any doubts related to this, like how do I start animation or how do I practice it, do reach out to me. I'll surely help you. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe the channel now, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless.